Ikea, Philippines. This is the Ikea showroom. So, wow, nice Ikea interior design. So, dito ka makakuha ng design, baka mababagay sa bahay. So, anong furniture kailangan? So, how about this furniture? Wow, baka kailangan ng mga ganito sa ating dingding. And this furniture too. How about that lampshade? How about, oh yan, this is the sala set, a TV, and that design. So, possible ba maging ganito ang bahay nyo? How about this wall? How about this cabinet? Wow, nice. So, this is nice. And a box. Pero, ganyan siya ang box maliit. This is aparador, 29,900. And ganito siya. Pag bilhin mo, at magiging ganito siya. So, how about that one? And this one. Yan. And this is 590. Yan. All items are for sale. Ayan. How this match to your home. How about the chairs? Stool, chairs, tables, dining, and more here pa. Yeah, that's the shopping bag. So, love this color white. Gusto ko ganito sa kitchen, white. Plain white. And this is organizer sa cabinet. Lagayan ng mga kutsara, tinidor, para organize siya sa cabinet. No? Mura lang to. That's 50 pesos only. So, yan. Oh, murang-mura na. So, organize pa ang cabinet mo. So, and about this one. Comforts, 150 each. So, this is Comforts container stainless steel, worth 490. No? Ayan. Plate, baso, chairs, table and chairs. That's it. Yan o. So, maraming pagpipilian here at Ikea. Ayan. So, more. So, ito, basahan sa paa. And, that's it. And a shopping bag. So, walk pa tayo. Let's see mo. You know. How about in the bathroom? Ano kailangan sa bathroom natin? So, this is the design. How about the towel? This is the towel na manipis lang. So, like the towels too. Kasi manipis lang, tapos mahaba. And, needs like this. Like this. So, lahat yan for sale. Meron sila dyan. How about this bed and the beddings like this? All here at Ikea. And this double deck for kids. Tapos sa baba may study room. Oh, diba? All here at Ikea Philippines. And this TV and a seat like that. You can now imagine a room for your kids or even for teens like this. Right? Ang ganda. Ikea Philippines here. So, let's move to another. So, here it is. A wall clock worth 490. And like this. Do you think so? How about the beddings like this? The bed like that. And the pillows like that. And more here at Ikea Philippines. Also, so here's the shopping bag and more. So Here is the hanger worth 90 pesos, so affordable. 10 packs. Now this is the hanger. 10 pieces. So and more cabinets. So we're now at the checkout counter. So it's time to pay. And see more on Ikea Philippines. And I have a great day shopping here.